Howdy, everybody out there. This is the next project that I'm gonna put on there. If y'all to see, it's a manifold. It's cracked pretty darn good all around, and then also on the inside. I know it's probably hard to see, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna grind her up right here, grind that up all around, and then put a little preheat on it, and then I'm gonna fill it up. So let's check it out. Alrighty, so it's all welded up, and I don't know if y'all can see it there. I welded it up there, and then maybe y'all can see the inside a little bit. I don't know if I can get the right light on it. Probably not. There we go. Right there, maybe. Alright, anyhow, it's just, it did draw a little bit right here. I don't know if y'all are seeing that. It did draw a little bit, but I welded it all around there. That was a pretty bad crack, so I might have to cut this little part right here. You know, I think he'll be all right when he throws the gasket on there and everything. But I'm letting it cool right now, and then we'll see how she does. Oh, I almost forgot. Hey, princess, if you're out there, daddy loves you. Be good to your mama.